Hey YouTubers, welcome back. Today I'll be taking a compression reading on the Husqvarna 45 chainsaw. Now this saw here, when you pull it over, it has a lot of compression, so I imagine there's going to be a good reading on today's compression test. So I'll take the cover off of this saw, get the spark plug off. Today's compression test is being done with the engine cold. I'll stick the compression tester in. So here's the reading, about 155 psi. So that's a good reading again. Good operating range for a chainsaw would be between 110 psi to 150 psi or more. So with a reading of about 155 psi, that's a really good reading, and there's a lot of life left in that saw. Now if you own the same chainsaw and you've taken a compression reading, post it in the comments area of this video. I'm sure everybody else would like to see what your results are. Take care now.